Hi, I'm Emily Boff, one of the customer success coordinators here at Equips. Do you ever receive email notifications for service events you're not really interested in or don't need to know about? Today, we'll learn how to update notifications within the app. Once you're logged into the app, click on your profile icon at the top right section of the page and then click on Notifications. From here, you'll have the option to manage all of your notifications on events, categories, or locations. Events are related to service request notifications, like a request being created, canceled, dispatched, and more. Category is related to notifications on events pertaining to a specific type of equipment. And location is related to events at specific locations. To change your notification preference, just check or uncheck the box next to the notification type and then click Save. You now also have the option to receive text message notifications on select event types. Click the SMS checkbox next to the notification type, and then you'll be prompted to enter in your phone number. And then click Save. At any time, you can go back and update your notification preferences. Please reach out to your account advisor with any questions.